It is widely known how the camera of the Galaxy S26 Ultra will change, but now we can see it in large format in a first leaked official promotional poster, in the primary color option purple and without any distracting watermarks. Samsung has announced the Galaxy S26 Ultra at a Galaxy Unpacked event on February 25, 2026, with the full market release anticipated on March 11, 2026. Launch of the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung has officially announced a new privacy feature for upcoming Galaxy phones, introducing what it calls pixel-level privacy. This confirmation comes directly from Samsung Mobile Press, making it clear that this is a real, shipping feature and not an experimental concept. The final color options for the Galaxy S26 Ultra have leaked. SIM trays confirm the main color lineup, including black, white, blue, and violet. The violet shade is expected to be the main marketing color. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to support 60W fast charging with a 5000 mAh battery, a significant upgrade. In contrast, the base Galaxy S26 will stick to 25W charging, and the S26 Plus will remain at 45W. The phone's main camera will cut down on the post-photo processing, and instead present the user with an image that much more accurately represents the environment around them. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to come with 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage, positioning it as a true long-term performance monster. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.